Hello. So I'm here today and I'm going to tell you that how you are going to make a resume video which is need of the time in this day. Before we move on to the next slide, I would like you to subscribe, like, share and comment this video on my channel Tina's Learning Hub. So first of all, let's find out that what is video resume. So a video resume or a resume video is simply a video version of a recording that outlines a person's professional experience and qualification. So whatever we were doing on a piece of paper, providing a hard copy or a soft copy to our employers, now it is the era of video resumes. It can be animated or simply a recording, giving just like giving a recorded interview. So let's watch this animated video resume so that you get a little idea of what I'm talking about. Wow, it was good. So why to create a video resume? We all know that what we hear, we don't remember. What we read, we don't remember. But what we see, we do remember. And obviously, that is the power of visual communication. And now is the time that visuals are more processed, more faster than a text. So video resumes are very much in, and they get your message across. So, how to make a video resume? Let's find out the different steps that we can follow to make a very good resume video. So, we are going to start with writing a script. We can write the lines, we can write the answers of the question that are required by the employer. We can memorize the answers and avoid reading directly from the paper because it will look very unprofessional. So we have to memorize it first and then we have to uh, uh, say the answers of the questions that are asked by the then personalize it. You can't do that you make one video for a specific job and then you make the same video for every job that you are applying. Obviously you can have this one introduction video which you can use, but you have to personalize it every time that you are going to apply for a specific job. Nevertheless, if you have this one skill or you are professional of one macro or micro niche where you can say that yes, this is my niche and here I can apply for all the different people with the same niche. Yes, then you can have this one video and you can use it, but otherwise you have to personalize it always for the role that you are. Then time duration, the ideal video length for maximum resume video is 1 to 2 minutes. However, sometimes it is the demand of the employer. I know that recently I've been asked to make a resume video and they had different time duration for different questions. And I had to follow that time duration to answer those questions. Creativity is the need of the time, so you have to go think of the box, out of the box to make video resumes. You can animate yourself like we just watched, or but you have to make sure that your voice is clear, your voice is loud, you are clear. And let's watch the video on the next slides to catch the vibe. So it is basically a scene
So that's
in
me,
the video.
Marc Derouste, half English, half French, born and raised in Fond-de-France. But who cares, right? Well, give me a minute of your time, and I'll try and convince you why you should. I graduated from the University of Kent in the UK with a degree in Business and European Management with Spanish. 3 days later, I joined APA Press Group, a media and advertising agency, where I worked across 5 continents, interviewing the movers and shakers of the world, and saw my country reports published in world-renowned newspapers. I then decided to start up my own company providing an online tailoring service for men, and so Mr. Tailor was born. As challenging as it was, I learned a hell of a lot. I eventually joined INSEAD, a leading business school managing programs and advising global leaders. But enough with the boring stuff. You're probably asking yourself, what are a few of my favourite things? Well, apart from sunsets and long walks on the beach, I also happen to enjoy build effective relationships. I specialize in finding creative and innovative solutions to the toughest problems. I also happen to speak English, French, and Spanish, and been involved in some very exciting stuff over the last few years. This might sound a little Miss World, but I truly believe that I can bring a real and positive impact to your organization from day one. I'd love to join a creative agency where I could put my skills and experience to good use and apply my entrepreneurial principles to foster social transformation. If you'd like to find out more, get in touch, download my CV, or simply laugh at my poor writing style, check out my website. Thank you.
Next slide says that we have to be our own critics. So get the feedback from your family and friends before sending it to the employer. Video is already being used by 60% of hiring managers and recruiters, and 20% more are considering using it in the future. So simply go for it. In the next video that I'm going to upload, I'm going to have few recorded video resumes and share thoughts on the strength and weaknesses for further understanding. If you have any question, you can drop in the comment if you need any other guidance. Thank you.